Hi, welcome to Be Natural with me, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to extract and infuse oil using fresh cucumber and some berries, strawberry and raspberries, and also some orange peel. So stay tuned, but before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified of any of my new videos. So we're going to use a hot processing method to extract all the goodness out of these fresh fruits and cucumber to make our oils, which oils can be used for your skin, your body, I mean anywhere in your face, your hair, even, you know, like especially the orange peel. You can even use it for cooking. If you like baking, you can use it in there as well. So first let me just go over. So what I have is I got a all organic cucumber, which I cut into small pieces like this, and then I let it kind of sun dry for about 3-4 hours, and it's ready to go. And then the next thing here, I have some fresh strawberries and raspberries. Again, would stick with anything without any chemicals. So I would recommend using organic fruits for this, because again, the aim is to put it on our skin. And the next is I got some orange peel. So what I did is I used a potato peeler to get the skin out of the orange, and again, it's orange was from our backyard, so it's all free of any chemicals. And then I let it sun dried for about 3-4 hours, so it's ready for my next step. And then again, you just need to get some empty jars and empty glass jars. It could be anything. I like to recycle everything, so I have got I got like all colorful jars, whatever I can find in my kitchen. So I'm going to show you the process, and then also the next thing you would need is some type of carrier oil. You can use grapeseed oil, sunflower oil, or you can use avocado oil or olive oil, any carrier oils of your choice. I mean, almond oil, there's so many out there, whatever you like. Okay. And again, I just wanted to do a quick reminder, if you're still watching and you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe. And you have to be logged on to YouTube in order to subscribe, and by subscribing, it just gives me inspiration to keep going and make such videos. Okay, so first I'm gonna take a jar and then put the berries into this one. So here we go. So we will add all the berries. Again, this was, I think, maybe two strawberries and then about 4 or 5 raspberries. That's all I had in there. I'm just making a little bit because a little goes a long way. And these oils are wonderful to make if you make your own skincare products. Like I make my own moisturizer, body butter, so they're really good for that. So in this one, I'm going to use the avocado oil, which here we go. So it's avocado, all 100% oil, and so I'm gonna just kind of, you know, top off the strawberry, I mean all the fruits in there, just about that much. So that's good enough, and just cover it up, and this one is ready to go. Okay, and the next one, let's use our orange peel. So for this one, I will use all the orange peel that I have here. So I'm gonna put it in there, and it's kind of already dried up pretty well and smells great. Okay, and again, add my avocado oil to it. You just want to, again, make sure you just kind of cover up. So whatever, how much, you know, whichever fruit or peel or herbs you use, you want to make sure you cover, put just enough oil, as much as you have in there, to get the maximum out of there. And the next one is our cucumbers. For this one, let's see, this is all I was able to find, so I'm gonna use that and put our cucumbers in there. Okay. And same thing. We're going to repeat the same steps over. So now we'll go ahead and top it off with avocado oil, just enough to cover all the cucumbers. Okay. And since I mentioned we're going to use the heat process to extract all the goodness out of these yummy fruits, so the next step would be that we'll go inside and use our kitchen stove to kind of make a double boiling method on a slow heat. We're gonna kind of let it work for about 30 minutes, so I'll show you the rest of the process. All right, so we're on to our step number 2 of the process. So I used a big enough pan and added the water and heated up the water so it's ready for my, you know, the mason jars to go in it. So here we go. We're gonna first go ahead and add our orange peel with oil in it, and our berries, which is strawberry and raspberry, and also the cucumbers. So we're just gonna let it sit and then do its magic, extract all the nutrition out of these fruits and veggies. And I'm gonna set the timer for 30 minutes because and again, you wanna make sure you're doing on a slow heat, and it's very important to make sure that you do cover up. So make sure you have tight lids for all these jars, because you don't want any water going into the oils, so it can last much longer. So this is how I do it, and our final step is where, you know, we will drain these oils out of it, and I'll show you that as well. But I do normally let it sit for overnight, at least, you know, for 24 hours before I strain them. And so I will show you that process as well. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Okay, so we are on to our step number 3. Now we're going to strain the oils, and you would need I'm just using a measuring cup over here, and you need something to strain it with, so I'm using this strainer, and that's about it. Oh, and a tip, make sure you have your labels ready, because if you're into making a lot of oils, it gets confusing to which is which. So I have my cucumber label ready, and where's my strawberry one, and also the orange oil. All right, so let's get started. So I'll start with our cucumber one. Okay, and this part is fairly simple. You just put take out all the cucumbers out of there, and just let it drain itself. Don't try to push or anything, press it or anything, because you don't want any extra cucumbers in there. Okay, so we will repeat the same steps for the orange oil as well. And there's some peels left in the jar, and I'm just gonna leave them in there for more attraction, that, you know, it'll get a little stronger, so it's totally fine. You know, so it's your choice. If you want to leave more peel in there for a long time, it is, you know, it works just as fine as well. So it will be even get better. It would have more. So I'm going to probably grab a few more peels and just leave them, because they were roughly sun dried anyways when we started. So here we go. This is our orange oil, which is almost ready, and now we just have to do one more. All right, so now we're on to our final oil, which is strawberries. So again, I just I repeated the same steps, but I do want to remind you not to throw these strawberries. You can certainly reuse them. You know, just grind them up, put some little bit of honey, or depends on the skin, you can add some type of flour, and it is your face pack. I mean, you can just use it and keep it in the fridge for a while. If you you can store it, or you can just also keep it in the, you can also freeze it for a long time. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and same thing, filter it back on into my, and out of all the oils, this one smells so wonderful. I wish you can smell it through the camera. It smells so good, and it just gives you, I tried some on my skin, and as you can see just on my hand, it just gives you a little really nice glow. So let me just try to take a little bit more and just give you, I'll show you a little bit. So it just gives you a very nice, beautiful glow to it. So this is great for facial serums. You can use it, you know, you can use it as is. You could use it with mixed other oils. You can make your own, you know, skincare products like your face moisturizer, body butters. You can use it for your hair. I mean, many different ways, and it will not go bad, and you could just keep it like this in a room temperature for as long as you like. It will last a long time. And let me just give you a little sneak peek of the orange one. So see, it just looks you know, it looks, it's turned into an orange color, and it's also smells really wonderful. And here's our cucumber, which is, as you can see, it's green. So it got the green tone from the cucumbers. Here, all right, so this is how easy it is to make your own oils. So we got all three. And if you're still watching my video, thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe, and also like and share with others, and give me the thumbs up. Give me the thumbs up so I can keep going and make more videos like these. And I will also plan to show you how we can use these oils making your own skincare products, like, you know, face moisturizer, body butters, lipsticks, lip glosses, etc. So we can use it on many different ways. All right, thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.